Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And want to disable all USB port on your PC? Watch this. So you can block your computer, laptop USB port without any software. Okay. So first, click on Start and type Run. Then type Registry. REGEDIT. Then click on Yes. Then Yes. Okay. So first, local machine, extract, then system, extract, then current control set, extract, then service, then USB store, come to U series. So you can see USB store. Then double click on start and remove the value of number 3 and enter 4. Okay, and then restart your system. So that's mean your USB has been blocked. And if you want to again change the value, if you want to again just change it back 3 to 4 to 3, so it will allow it. Okay, and comment me if your it's work or not. Thank you.